As I noted last quarter, demand is very, very high. The main concern for law firms is not actually winning the work or generating the work, it's more getting it done. Partly that's because of the volume, but also it's because of the recruitment and retention issues that we're seeing with law firms at the moment. Everybody seems to be short on good people. That's why salary levels are going through the roof at the moment. That's creating further issues as well, potentially with people leaving for other offers. It's also making recruitment difficult, it's making retention difficult because we're trying to find ways of making people happy in their new workplace, in their new environment. And that links really with the returning to the office point as well, because what we're finding in practice is that people have become quite used to the way they've been working from home in a number of cases. Don't get me wrong, quite a few people want to get back into the office, want to get back to interacting with other people or a better working environment for themselves. But quite a few of the senior people that are in demand at the moment have become quite used to this extra time they've had to work from home, to have a better work-life balance and not to have to travel in. And that's adding to these recruitment and retention problems because we're creating quite a lot of flux within the employment market, within the legal sector at the moment, particularly with virtual firms having the success that they've had. And offers coming from firms that are bigger, from further afield, so actually it's okay, you can work from home, you can work remotely, we need extra people. And because they've not necessarily got the associated costs of bringing people into offices for that, they can actually offer significant salary increases, which is quite tempting, particularly for senior people that we need to be able to get the work done, to be able to supervise, to be able to review and approve the work that the more junior people are doing. So I think quite a few firms are having those issues around recruitment, around retention, and a lot of that is linked with getting people back into the office. What we're tending to find at the moment on returning to the office is most firms have got an element of returning to the office. Average somewhere between 3 or 4 days is the intention per week of how we would want people to be back into the office. And that's for culture reasons, that's for supervision reasons, that's for development, training, coaching, mentoring, etc. And effectively being the firm that we are. And I can understand all of those reasons for wanting people to come back into the office. With COVID still not necessarily gone, some people are still uncomfortable with that. Is it the right environment for them? We're seeing issues about the working environment, the provision requirements for having air flow, etc. within the workplace. And we're also seeing the fact that quite a few people that we want to get back in, being the senior people, are the ones that actually are quite self-sustaining. They can work from home more easily. They're not really wanting to come back in. And it's the junior people that need the support, that actually want to be back in the office, that aren't getting that support as well. So there's quite a lot of things for firms to grapple with there.